we know that we have to read 4 chapters in first term. The circulatory system, skeletal system, food and health, and work and energy. Today we will discuss important points of this chapter. Let us start our revision class. As we know that our body is made up of organs. All these organs work together in a group to perform a particular function. A group of organs perform a particular function together and this form organ system. At first, we discuss about circulatory system. In circulatory system, the blood circulates different part of our body. This system helps in transporting different substances such as nutrients, water, oxygen inside our body. It also removes waste gases from the body by taking help of blood. The main points of this chapter is circulatory system. First point, circulatory system comprises heart, blood and blood vessels. Circulatory system consists of 3 organs: heart, blood and blood vessels. At first we discuss about heart. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood. As we know that heart is the key organ in the circulatory system. It is located between lungs and slightly to the left of the middle of the chest region. It is protected by rib cage. The size of human heart is about the size of our fist. Next point, the heart is 4 chambered. 2 upper chamber called auricle and 2 lower chamber called ventricles. These auricle and ventricles are separated by a valve. The rhythmic movement of heart is called heartbeat. Next point, 3 types of cells are found in blood: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC. RBC means red blood cell. WBC means white blood cell and the platelets. Blood is red in color because of an iron pigment known as hemoglobin, and WBC help to fight against germ and protect the body from infection and diseases. And the last one, platelets, it helps in the clotting of blood at the time of wounds and cuts. Next, artery carry oxygenated blood from heart to different part of body. Vein carry deoxygenated blood from different part of body back to the heart. And these capillaries connect artery to the vein. These artery, vein and capillaries are the 3 types of blood vessels found in human body. And the last point is regular practice of yoga keep the heart healthy. Yoga and many physical activities such as cycling, swimming, jogging helps to keep our heart healthy. The next chapter, that is skeletal system. Our body perform different activities by the coordination of different organ system. Skeletal system also work in the coordination with muscular system. Skeletal system is a rigid framework of bone. It gives shape, support and strength to the body. The skull is made up of 22 bones and the backbone protects the spinal cord. Rib cage protects the heart. Rib cage. A rib cage is a bony structure present in the chest region. It is made up of 12 pair of thin bow-shaped bone. It look like rib. Cages look like cage. Two type of brittle found in human body. A joint is a place where two or more bones connect. The next point is four type of movable joints are present in our body. In our body there are four type of joint present. First, hinge joint. Second, ball and socket joint. Third is pivot joint, and the last is gliding joint. Hinge joint moves in two directions, up and down, or backward or forward. It is present in our elbow and knee, finger and toes. Second is ball and socket joint. It moves in all directions. It is present in our shoulder and hip. The third is pivot joint. The pivot joint is present in between neck and skull. It allows us to move our head sideways, upward and downward. And the last one is gliding joint. Gliding joint can be twisted or turned. It is present in our wrist and ankle. There are about 600 muscles present in our body. Muscles are of two types. First, voluntary muscles, and second one is involuntary muscles. Next point is to make bones, joint and muscles strong, we need to include protein, vitamins, minerals in our diet. All these nutrients make our joints, muscles and bone strong. And the last one, good posture and regular exercise keep the bones and muscles healthy. At first we know about posture. Posture is the position in which we keep our body while standing or sitting. We should keep our back straight while sitting or standing. Our body needs vitamins and minerals to maintain bone, joints and muscles strong. The next chapter, that is food and health. Food is the fuel of our body. Food gives us energy to do work. Carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals are the 5 nutrients of food. These are the 5 nutrients present in our food. Second, a balanced diet contains all 5 nutrients, roughage and water. At first, we have to know about balanced diet. A balanced diet contains all nutrients in proper quantity. Roughage. We know what is roughage. Roughage is a fiber. It helps in removing undigested waste from the body. It is found in whole grains and in fruits and vegetables. Next is water. Water is not a nutrient, but it is essential for our body. So in balanced diet, all these are present in our balanced diet. Second, eating junk food lead to weight gain and poor health. Junk food, at first we know about junk food items have low nutritional value. Pizza, burger, chocolate, cakes are junk food which are injurious for our health. These junk food lead us poor health. The next point is sprouting and fermentation make the diet more healthy. Sprouting, at first we know sprouting. Sprouting refers to the process of germinating whole grains. So they can be eaten raw and the fermented food are easy to digest. Idli, dhokla, dosa, all these are fermented food. So, sprouting and fermented food are useful for our body. Next, obesity, high BP, diabetes are some lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases can be prevented by adopting active, healthy lifestyle. These obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, all these are lifestyle disease, and we can prevent lifestyle disease by adopting active and healthy lifestyle. Next is deficiency disease can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. At first we know what is deficiency disease. The disease caused by the lack of nutrients is known as deficiency disease, and this can be cured by taking balanced diet. There are some deficiency disease, for example, night blindness. Night blindness caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, anemia caused due to the deficiency of iron, very caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B, scurvy caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C, goiter caused due to the deficiency of iodine, and the Kwashiorkor disease caused due to the deficiency of protein. And the last one is adulteration make food impure and unfit for consumption. At first we know what is adulteration. Adulteration make the food impure. For example, milk is adulterated often with impure water. Cereal and pulses adulterated with stone chips, chalk powder, and harmful colors. The colored dried papaya seed we added in black pepper, edible oil mixed with cheaper and toxic oils. And the last chapter, that is work and energy. The main points of work and energy is: work is said to be done when a force applied on an object displaces it from its position. If force applied and it fails to displace the object, then it is considered that work is not done. Energy is the capacity to do work. Food give us energy. Work and energy are closely related to each other. There are different type of energy such as heat energy, electrical energy, solar energy, wind energy, sound energy, and light energy. Now we will discuss renewable source of energy. A renewable source of energy can be used for long period of time such as sun, wind, and water. And non-renewable source of energy cannot be used for long time. It get exhausted. For example, petroleum, coal, and natural gas. So, student, read all the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.